Hello, Vettsy babes! Pack your bags. We're heading down under. The Vettsy May box is giving major spring to summer transition vibes. Sparkling ocean gels, beachy charms, and so much more. Everything you need to nail that flawless beachy vibe is right here. Let's explore what's inside. Begin your journey with our premium gel collection. 2 cat-eye gels, 1 color gel, 1 builder gel, and a cushion ombre gel. Opal flakes deliver blinding iridescent shifts. These glitter encapsulate the blue reef. Yellow glitters capture radiant Aussie sunshine. Neon mermaid chrome unlocks an ultra-glazed glow. Refreshing mint charms to cool down the summer. Iridescent shell slices reflect magical ocean light. Elegant pearl and rhinestone clusters from the sea. Macaron hollow flowers for tropical vibes. Playful bubbles with our Aurora dot glitters. Crystal sugar set for a sparkling beach look. Ocean series charms bring marine treasures home. 3D nail art mold for beautiful elements. Precision prep with curved cuticle scissors. Stunning designs with our nail art stickers. Phone strap for the perfect summer nail fee. Mini dust collector keeps your workspace clean. An exclusive koala refrigerator magnet bonus. Unboxing is just the beginning. It's time for the best part, putting them to use. Watch how we turn these Aussie summer essentials into 4 breathtaking nail designs. Set 1. Mermaid's Treasure. Begin by applying builder gel to create a strong, glittering foundation. Next, rub a sheer chrome powder. Then, place some nail stickers onto the nail. Finish the look by floating a layer of top coat. Set 2. Starry Water Ripple. Apply a deep blue cat-eye gel. Before curing, pull the magnetic particles into a wide highlight with a magnet. Using beads magnet to create the natural ripples of a water surface. Next, add some nail charms and pearls. Set 3. Morning Dew Glaze. Glaze the nail with yellow magnetic gel. Hover a magnet over the nail to gather the fine shimmer right down the center. Pick up little daisy nail stickers for a playful touch. Seal with a smooth, clear top coat. Set 4. Sugar French. Apply a layer of icy blue magnetic gel. Use magnets to push the magnetic shimmer toward the free edge and sides of the nail. Next, map out a smile line with clear gel. Scoop and generously sprinkle a chunky, iridescent blue powder over the wet gel. Sweep away all the excess loose glitter. And that's a wrap on our May box. We hope these designs have inspired your own summer creations. Don't forget to grab your box via the link in our bio before it sells out. See you at the next one.